Welcome to our channel. If you're an agent looking to enhance your presence on Facebook, you've come to the right place. Today we'll discuss the number one question agents ask: how can I be consistent on Facebook and what should I post? Stick around as we share 5 valuable principles to help you engage your audience effectively. Number 1, keep a consistent mix. When it comes to posting on Facebook, it's essential to maintain a consistent mix of personal, business, and inspirational or motivational content. By showcasing your personality, sharing insights into your business, and uplifting your audience, you create a well-rounded experience for your followers. Number 2, share business posts on your personal page. Contrary to popular belief, it's perfectly acceptable to share business-related posts on your personal Facebook page. Your friends and acquaintances are a valuable network that can support your professional endeavors. By blending personal and business content, you expand your reach and increase engagement. Number 3, get creative and stand out. Facebook is an interrupter platform where users scroll through a vast amount of content to capture their attention. Your creative elements such as images or videos need to stand out. Invest time in crafting visually appealing and captivating content that stops the scroll and compels viewers to engage. Number 4, craft compelling copy. In every interaction, words matter. The choices we make based on the words we hear and read influence our decisions. When it comes to Facebook posts, the layout and structure of your copy are crucial. In my next email, I'll share valuable insights on how to optimize your copywriting for maximum impact. Number 5, educate, inform, and inspire. The key to successful engagement on Facebook is to avoid being overly salesy. Instead, focus on educating, informing, and inspiring your audience. Remember the simple marketing principle: everyone wants to buy, no one wants to be sold. By offering valuable content, you establish yourself as a trusted resource and build meaningful connections. That wraps up our tips on how to consistently engage on Facebook. By following these 5 principles, you'll be on your way to building a thriving online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.